Hello dudes. Today we have list of top 5 snacks. Numero 5. Cat snacks.
Young Harry here by school supplies.
Listen. It's Harry Potter.
Numero 4. Gay snacks. Numero 3. Panda snacks. Honorable mention.
Yo, John, I bet you $20 you can't catch this ball.
Numero 2. Men's snacks. Numero 1. Longest snacks.
Put it down. Put it down.
Yeah.